Hipower is committed to creating innovative solutions and quality products. Every step of the process is completed specifically to meet the unique requirements and application of the North American market. All our standby and mobile product lines are proudly designed, engineered, prototyped here at our state-of-the-art headquarters and manufacturing center in Olathe, Kansas.
Our engineering design team is committed to continuous research by developing and improving technology to assess and identify new products. We use the latest software to design our enclosures, electrical panels, wiring harnesses, and everything else that we make. Before we release prototypes to production, we have started to evaluate our design concepts in virtual reality. This will allow us to identify issues faster and before the units are produced on the line.
Before a design goes into production and becomes part of Hipower product line, it is subjected to exhaustive prototype testing to evaluate every aspect of design, construction, and performance. Every unit undergoes a full array of evaluation procedures covering a comprehensive range of performance aspects, making sure that the genset complies with the regulations defined and provides years of reliable service. Once we do our internal validation, we certify our gensets with some of the most demanding quality standards like UL, CSA, and IBC, just to name a few.
At Hipower, we produce all the sheet metal components required for our generators in-house, from enclosures, fuel tanks, support structures, and electrical subassembly parts.
Our high-precision cutting and folding equipment provides us with the latest technology, guaranteeing the correct dimensions for a superior assembly.
We build quality into our every product. We manufacture our fuel tanks following international quality standards like UL.
Here at Hipower, our manufactured parts are coated with 2 layers of protective powder coatings. These coatings, coupled with potent chemical pretreatment, produce a barrier that provides robust, long-lasting protection for our generators in the field. The coating we apply meet ATSM standards for impact resistance, rust prevention, and UV protection.
We pride ourselves on our quality and attention to detail. Our built-in quality ensures that we provide our customers with the highest quality generators in the market. Using top-tier materials ensures our quality standards remain high across the board, not only from our manufacturing process, but to the materials we use when building our units.
Sparkle and shine are what we excel at, and with safety in mind, placing the warning decals is one of our top priorities. But our final inspections give assurance that all accessories are fully functional and ready to use.
We explore all shipping options to find the best solution for our client. Our crane loading allows us to give custom shipping configurations to meet each client's needs.
To maximize performance and prolong the life of your equipment, insist on high-power genuine parts.
I want to thank all the Hipower employees for their contribution and commitment. Also, nothing of this would have been possible without the confidence and the trust of our valued customer partners, as I like to call them. Thank you for trusting Hipower.